Once logged into Concept, we are presented with the Home menu page. Below the Home menu title is the name or names of your current projects. In this example, our project is named Sandbox. To the right of the name is the project reference, code, and primary language. Below this is the Client Control panel. This panel allows your client administrator to manage your projects, add users, manage collaborating organisations, manage your organisation's details, provide alerts across your organisation, and view and print agreements. Underneath the Client Control panel, Concept has its own Alerts panel to keep clients updated with the latest product information. To access our project, click on the project name Sandbox. This takes us to the project menu page. This displays the name of the project you have chosen from the Home menu, again with reference, code, and primary language. Below the Alerts panel, Concept provides access to all of the tools required to manage your design. These panels are titled Building Management, Access to Subjects, Document Management, Tools, Project Reports, and Project Control panel. To begin the design, you must first create a building. To do this, click on Building Edit in the Building Management menu, go to the bottom of the page and click Create Building. Now enter a code for the building, the building name, and its function. Now click on Save as Pending to complete. This takes us to the building's details page. Details below the building function box state who and when the building was created, its current state in Concept's life cycle, and in addition design notes can be added, and saved. Now the numeric value and position in the life cycle is displayed, along with the option to move the design of the building to the next state. However, before we do this, we need to create the building levels, room groups, and rooms. To create the levels, click on the Levels tab, click Add Level. Now enter the level name, level number, code, and save. Next, create a room group. Room groups are created to enable common spaces to be replicated in a project. Click on the Room Groups tab, add room group, add the room group code, group name, and again save. Next, create the number of rooms to form the room group space. In our example, one room is created on the ground floor. Click the Rooms tab, select the room group, level, and click Add Room. On the Room Details page, name the room, select the level, and room group, then save. Add design notes, and save. To add more rooms, click on the green plus icon. Once you've created your building, you and your colleagues then populate it to contribute to the design. For example, to add furniture details, click on the project menu. Select Furniture from the Access to Subjects menu and select the building under Building Management. Here we are given the description of the room for the given subject, which is displayed in the top right hand corner. As this is our first description, we see the message "No rooms in the building have been described in this subject." To begin, select the room you wish to describe, for our example, lounge. Next comes basic descriptions for the room. First, as an option, contains fixed furniture or contains movable furniture. We'll click Contains movable furniture. Under Design Style, we'll click Contemporary. Click on the Save icon. Add design notes. And save. To add an item to the lounge, we must first create an item group. This feature is similar to the Room Groups feature in that you are able to replicate groups of items throughout the project. To create an item group, click on the Project menu, select the subject you wish to create the item group for, select the building, click on Item Groups, then enter the required details: code, name, and save. Add design notes, and save. Next, create the item definition. To do this, click on the subject under Access to Subjects, Manage Definitions, and create the definition. Enter the code, name, description, estimated cost, and save. The next page allows you to define associated impacts on other related subjects. In our example, the affected subject is electrical, as the TV needs to be tested. Select electrical from the drop-down menu, add the impact description, and save. Add design notes, and save. To add the item, select Project menu, Furniture under Access to Subjects, Building, Lounge, click on the Items tab and add new item. Next, name the item, select your item group, definition and save. Add design notes and save. Having added the TV, we can now move the item to the next life cycle stage. You can see I've already moved the TV from stage 1A in creation to stage 1B approved. You can also see that this item has been rejected on 3 occasions for subsequent editing. However, if I move it on to the next stage, you can see we can again either release the item back for further editing to stage 1B or move to the next stage checked. Moving to the next stage, we are shown the message Martin Birch has not done team approval yet, and we are unable to move to the next stage until this team member checks and approves or rejects the item. The final step in the design stage is stage 4, team approved.